Hey guys, welcome back. So, do you know guys the benefits of being in nature? Well, being in nature can change the major aspects of our life. How being in nature can improve our physical and mental health strategies for life. Vitamin D. It supports our immune system by getting vitamin D from the sun. Happiness. It can help us to feel happier. Grounding. It can have a grounding effect which can help reduce anxiety. Mind, body, and soul. It can have a calming effect on our whole being. Energy. It can give us a feeling of energy, especially if we connect with the earth with our body. Creativity. It can help us with our memory. Solution focused. It can help us to find the time to switch off so we can think of solutions to problems. Stay positive and spread love.